Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's on Jama. Jamaica. A long time I want the criminal them, but it look like them never care. Well, me sorry for the backside now. How the Hobia man is here. You know hear about it? Say Obia man want me with Prime Minister Holness to discuss Obia's the strategy for fighting crime. Renito Adams now come back again. So hope you enjoy for this time. I'm giving you a warning. Hey, hi. Also man a rapist, while I molest the pit in them. Then go find a lifeless body in one tree. I found a teely who no go hang. For since you no can't control no teely. Hope your man go make no feel it. Crime stop. Go and hide it. You know better have to tell it. Faluko Isla, this and Isla, that and Bob's 2 twos. Them reveal it. Who killed Rifle and Wani will no longer be a secret. Who murdered Dr. Bloomfield. I wish but they hide Lizard body. Obia man soon reveal it. Me here say things them walk one. It's not things of the natural. That's why this state of emergency strategy, it not stop them a criminal. Them things that want happen, them deep, them supernatural. That's why this crime fighting Obia man want arrest them in the spiritual. In a foreign they have Captain Planet, Spider and Superman. But Jamaican fighting hero, watch out for the Obia man. Long time we put out Ananda alert and can't even solve Ananda's murder. Well, things get really bad now at Jamaica. So we start to trust pastor and turn instead to Obia. For even some of the pastor them a rape. And I do some serious crime. Because see, Obia expose one pastor. Papa Jesus! We're living in a serious time. Obia is illegal as according to the 1898 law. But to how some of them are criminally are gone, Obia is Jamaica's last straw. Any pitney will go missing. Nobody file no report. Just carry a little piece of them clothes, go the Obia man, and a locator spell will figure it out. Me? Not even mosquito me a kill again. Let them bite me all them want. Me not even the mosquito go report it and they go Obia me to fart. I got on my Obia man though. Me not tell no lie. For everything we go on the door low, him sit cause him sit up on high. Enough time people think say God asleep and are blaming for things what happen. But the wicked have their day coming. Don't think say God forgotten. But can Obia strategy really solve anything? For enough of the criminal them have them personal Obia man where them claim and protect them with gathering. They might get away from the police. The Obia might not come true. But any seed you sow, you shall reap it. And that day when death come for you. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's on Jama.